I'm Yola Jones. I'm president of the Aberystwyth Conservation Volunteers. Since September last year, we've been involved with the university in managing the eastern half of Penglais Woods. It's a woodland which is widely used by the community. So the path is in a valley which was previously hidden from view, a lovely valley with some waterfalls and loads of bluebells as well, which will be coming out in the next month or so. We decided to create a path through it as part of our project back in November, and since then we've been working on planning the route of the path, controlling non-native species in the area, putting in surface on the path, and building bridges with some of the felled sycamores. Today we finally officially opened the path. I see this as a project which bridges between the Aberystwyth townspeople and the students in the university here. The woods, Penglais Woods in themselves, bridge between the students and the townspeople. They stretch all the way from North Road in town to the student residences on Penglais Hill. And this project in the same way has brought townspeople and students together. I personally have used Penglais Woods many times to escape from the stress of university, and I hope this project will encourage other people to do the same.